guys, so today I'm going to be doing a dorm haul. I live in one of the valleys at Western Michigan University. I'm just going to be showing you everything in my room. If you want to see the items more specifically, you can watch my dorm haul. And let's get right into the video. Hi, welcome to my dorm. So when you walk in, you see my closet, and my shoe rack, and my shower caddy down here, my laundry, and then just some cleaning supplies. And then up here I have all my snacks, tea, breakfast food, cups, plates and bags. And up here I have some extra bags, extra towels and sheets. As you can see, the snack bag is comforter, and sheet set and pillowcase. And this is my fluffy pillow. I also have a leaf tapestry on the wall. Again, I showed all these in my dorm hall. Here I have a TV, some tissues, some decorations, a little whiteboard that I write my classes on. In the first drawer, I just have like my iPad, some stuff for my hair, some extra makeup wipes, purse, some wristlets. Down here I have all my pajamas and all my jewelry. Here I have lots of my shirts and a lot of workout packs over here. And some other shirts. Then right here I have a couple bean bags and some gray rugs and kind of a comforter. Over here I have all my sunglasses, all my perfume, my computer, a little desk fan, all my makeup, the jewelry that I wear like every day, some books in here, a mirror for doing my makeup, and lots of pens, and I also have the clock. Down here I have lots of nail polish, extra makeup, hair dryer, curler and straightener. Down here I just have some extra storage. Here I have a microwave, and I have a freezer, and a fridge. Over here I have a mirror, and then I have two fans in the window because there is no air conditioning. Under here I just have a lot of storage stuff. So some extra clothes, some socks, pants, my bra and underwear, and those organizer things, and a toolkit. So in my bathroom, the toilet doesn't have a door, so we put the sheet up here, and you just hook it on here, and then it covers, and then here we have a garbage, and then here are the sinks, and then back here I have my towels. And then we have a nice rug. And then another rug and a shower curtain. And in the shower we have a shower mat. And it's pretty small. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And I'm going to be making a college playlist so you can watch all my videos related to college. And see you next time. Bye.